Yana for today. We doing the oil change on this beautiful 86. Yes. Sorry if I look a little bummy, but you about to get a little dirty. Get my gloves. Oh, okay. You try to attempt to take this bolt off. The last time I did it, I had help. So let's see. Ooh. Hold on. Oh. This is hard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this, right? This is crazy. I can't get it off. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm about to give up. Because this is crazy. Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna call someone. Hello? Can you come help me take this I'm doing my oil change. Alright. Dad pulling up to the rescue.
Can't get what off?
The ball. You gotta get under it this way. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get a donut. Yeah.
The black book.
Yep. The only bolt that's right there. Make sure.
This don't fit. This is a little too small for you.
No, that's that. Yeah. So today is a new day and I still did not finish the oil change. So now I'm here with Roar. He's supposed to help me. The last clip, my dad was trying to help me and couldn't get it. He didn't have the right tools, so we're gonna try to do it now.
Break it. I was in the
Okay. He's just about to help me loosen the bolt. And then follow me from there. Hopefully this works.
I don't know which way it needs to go. I go towards this other. Why is this over there so tight?
Seriously.
This thing's over there tight as fuck. Alright, so.
It's not stripped, right?
No, it's not stripped. It's just extremely tight. I wish I had a 14mm on me. That's what I truly need. Alright, I'm gonna need to get a 14mm before this actually does get stripped.
Oh my god. I think that's what I used last time though. It didn't come off.
The 14mm, there's no way.
Okay, we'll be back. We're at a new location now. Hopefully this is the right wrench.
Every side.
So apparently the bolt is stripped, you guys. I don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to do the oil now. We can't get it off. Alright, we'll be back. I don't know what to say.